Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a 2017 Volkswagen Passat Highline. It has the top specification. It's a 2-litre TDI and we have replaced the timing belt. It comes fully serviced and only has 104,000 kilometres. It has the top specification with satellite navigation, reversing camera and parking sensors. It has climate control, adaptive cruise control, and has the virtual cockpit or speedo cluster, which I think is just brilliant. You can set it up to show any information you want. Also, just leave the key in your pocket to lock and unlock the car and indeed start it. The car senses the key is in your pocket, no need to touch it. It has been freshly validated and finance is available and may be applied for on our website ultimatecars.ie. We also include 12 months warranty with the option to extend the warranty to 24 months. So this car really does tick all the boxes with a very high specification and being a 2-litre. We have well over 130 reviews on Google with 5 out of 5 stars. We have our own workshop and we have been in the same premises since 1975. We are located on Colleen Road, Dublin 10. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thank you for watching.